You don't need thousands to start investing at 18. You only need $5. The real edge you already have is not money. It is time, and it is worth over $100,000 more. Most people your age will completely waste it. Start at 18 with just $50 a month. And you are looking at nearly $200,000 by age 65. Wait until 28 to start? That same habit builds less than $100,000. That's not a typo. 10 years of waiting cost you over $100,000, even though you put in the same amount every month. That is the real power of compound growth. Money does not just add up. It multiplies quietly in the background, year after year. Compound interest means your investment earns money, and then that money starts earning too. It is like a snowball rolling downhill, picking up more snow as it goes. The earlier you start, the bigger that snowball gets. The difference is not how much you stash away, it is how long your money has to grow. That is why time is your secret weapon, and nobody can hand it back once it is gone. Forget the idea that you need a fat bank account to get started. That is a myth left over from your parents' generation. Right now, you can open an account at Fidelity or Schwab with $0, literally no minimum required. Want to invest in the entire stock market? Both let you buy a slice of a total market index fund like VTI or FSKAX for just a single dollar. Robinhood, Public, Cash App, and Acorns all let you start with $1 to $5, and you do not need to buy a whole share of anything. Fractional shares mean your spare change is enough. Link your bank or debit card, set up a recurring deposit, even if it is just $1 a week, and you are in the game. The habit is what counts, not the amount. Apps do not care if you are putting in $1 or $100. They just want consistency. That is how you build muscle memory for your money. The only real barrier is thinking you do not have enough to start. That excuse is out. Now, it is just about taking the first step. Always double check fees and app details before you sign up, because rules can change. Step 1. Open an account. Fidelity and Schwab both let you sign up with $0. No minimum, no hoops. It takes less than 10 minutes. Step 2. Automate your deposits. Set up a recurring transfer, for example, $10, $15, or $25 a week. That is less than a pizza. You can start with $10 and raise it later. Step 3. Buy a total market index fund. VTI and FSKAX are the classic choices. Both let you own a slice of thousands of companies in one shot for just a few dollars. You do not need to pick stocks, guess trends, or become an expert. Step 4. Forget about it. Automation does the work. Money moves in, buys your fund, and compounds over time. That is how Jordan, a college sophomore, went from zero to investor in under 10 minutes. Account open, auto transfer on, first share bought. The whole thing runs in the background, building wealth while you live your life. Roth IR, accounts from Fidelity or Schwab mean your gains grow tax-free. Even $10 a week adds up, thanks to compound interest. Just set it, automate it, and let time do the heavy lifting. Double check fees and app details before you start. No job? No problem. You don't need a full-time paycheck to start investing, you just need a trickle of cash to fuel your first deposit. Quick side hustles are everywhere, and they are built for beginners. Reselling thrift finds on eBay or Poshmark can net $100 to $400 a month, even if you only spend a few hours each weekend. Online tutoring, math, writing, even basic coding can pay $50 to $250 a month, sometimes more if you pick up a few clients. Gig apps like DoorDash or Instacart can add another $50 to $200, working whenever you want. For Maya, a sophomore juggling classes and a part-time job, it started with flipping sneakers from a local thrift shop. She pocketed $140 her first month, sent $20 straight to her Roth IRA, and let automation handle the rest. Every side hustle becomes fuel for your investment engine, The trick isn't finding a windfall, it is catching those small wins and funneling them into your future. Once the cash lands, set up an auto transfer so your money moves before you can spend it. That's how you turn a side hustle into a habit, and a habit into real wealth. Lock in the habit before your brain even knows the money's gone. The trick? Pay yourself first. Set your auto transfer to hit the moment cash lands in your account. Before you cover bills or grab takeout, your future self gets paid. This isn't about willpower, it's science. Habits stick when you remove the choice. A fixed amount every week, no excuses. You only need to check in once a quarter to make sure you are still on track. The rest runs on autopilot. Start now, and you are not just investing money, you are building a muscle. Time is your edge. Automate and forget. Here is your 7-day challenge. Open your account, set up a weekly auto transfer of $10 to $25, and buy your first share of a total market index fund. Do not wait. Do not overthink. Take action now. Your future self will thank you. If you are ready for more real money moves and no BS investing tips, hit subscribe. Quick legal note, this is not personal financial advice. Always do your own research. Now, go make it happen. Every dollar you invest today is a future flex. Compound interest turns tiny moves into big wins. No more waiting. The window's open. Make your money work before life gets expensive. Subscribe for weekly money moves.